rivalries. First on the list, possibly one of the greatest all-rounders to have graced our game. One of cricket's most charismatic, the lion from Lahore, Imran Khan. It seems only yesterday that he held cricket's greatest prize, a beautiful crystal trophy, to an adoring public on a famous night in Melbourne.
That's up in the air, he's getting under it. This could be victory, it is. Pakistan win the World Cup. A magnificent performance in front of 87,000 people. Imrankhan has led his side to victory. What a great victory.
Ladies and gentlemen, the great Imran Khan. As you can see, Imran, you're much loved in India. Next, I'd like to call upon someone who is known